Hey my people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then welcome. If you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can stay up to date on new hot sets we got coming at you. So how about we get right into it, y'all? So today I'm going to be doing a little abstract joint that I thought was really cute, using some products from Madam Glam's new it's called Flavor Por Favor. Their new collection they just came out with this month. So it's not much to it, so you can go ahead and just watch. I won't gab the whole way through. It's really self-explanatory, but it's very pretty. So you guys go ahead and check it out, and I'll jump back in if I have anything else to add.
We get our nail all done. Now we can go ahead and slap on that top coat. And you see, once you put it on, any of the streaks or anything you have from the brushes will be smoothed out. So I love that top coat layer, and we bake it, and here is the finished product. We did a whole set, and I think it turned out absolutely adorable. I love the abstract feel of it, and I'm feeling it. Let me know if y'all feeling it in the comments below. And if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, kindness is key. Be who you be and dream big. Bye-bye.